How to get Facebook Marketplace back. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the three lines on the top left of your screen and then tap on the Settings and Privacy drop down and then tap on Settings. Here, scroll through and you will see the option for Preferences. Under the Preferences tab, tap on the tab bar option you see there and then tap on the Customize the bar option. Further, go ahead and navigate to the Marketplace drop-down and tap on the drop-down you see there, and then go ahead and tap on the pin option you see there, and by now the Marketplace tab should appear on your tab bar, and if it is still not appearing, then it could be due to your region services, so you can simply go ahead and use the browser version of the Marketplace. So go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for I cannot access Facebook Marketplace, and Facebook will then show you a bunch of options on what you can do in order to be able to see the marketplace. So this was about how you can get Facebook Marketplace back. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.